Bryan from Trident Cryo. What I want to talk about today is how I feel you should do the perfect cryotherapy session. Now, at the principle, we are trying to achieve fight or flight. I've been working with fight or flight since the early 90s, training as a SEAL in cold weather environments. We tried to avoid fight or flight. The way they would do it, as we were lying in snow ditches preparing for battle, is they would say, wiggle your fingers, wiggle your toes to get blood to it. Now, I too often see people shadow boxing and dancing inside the cryotherapy chamber. If you want a good session, get into the chamber, stand completely still, and do your session that way to get maximum effect. Check out our client here, Jessica. As you can see, not dancing in the chamber, waiting to get her perfect results.